Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this fresh arrival 1965 Malibu powered by a 283 automatic transmission, power front disc Wilwood brakes, custom wheels all the way around, straight body, gorgeous car. We're gonna go through this beauty so you know exactly what you're getting when you get this baby home. Real clean body. Take a look at this engine. Really clean inside. Freshly tuned. Aluminum radiator. All your hoses. Good shape. Wilwood brakes. Power steering. Nice upgraded headers. Clean inside. All your hoses are fresh. MSD, ignition, good stuff. Good stuff here. Real clean underneath the hood. Sound deadening inside. Nice car. Nice car. Lines up great. All your glass around the car is in really good condition, no stories. All your wipers are working correctly. All your lights, turn signals are operating. Front chrome bumpers in really good shape. All your badging and grille, all intact the way it should be. Yeah, it really lines up nice. There you go. American racing wheels all the way around. 283. Couple tiny little, like, nothing spots there, but look at the way it lines up. It's a nice car. Quarter to door, just great. Great stance, great look. Let's get down at an angle, look at this thing. All your weather stripping around the car is in good shape. Trunk is in good shape, original quarter right there. Weather stripping's great. Trunk is the way it should be. Nice and solid all the way through. Rear glass is good. Trunk lines up great. Nice gaps. All your lights in the back are working the way they should. All your badging and chrome is in good shape, everybody. Real clean. Great stance. I know I said it a few times, but this is really nice car. Your rear quarter, our passenger side's fine. I don't see any flaws. Gaps out great through the door and the quarter. All the chrome on the bottom is all good. Door defender is good. I just see a reflection, that's all. Hey, everybody. Nice. Tires are in good shape all the way throughout. Let's take a look at this interior. Back deck's good. Rear seat, nice. Headliner, fine. All your door panels are good all the way through. Nice weather stripping. Clean. Dash nicely painted. That's the way it should. Factory gauges, which are working. 8,473 miles is what the odometer is showing. Horn's working. Kicks right up. This engine's been gone through. This is a nice car. All your gauges are working. Gas gauge is working. Shift's nice. All right, braking's good. Steering feels tight. No funky noises. She wants to run a little bit. Yeah, nice and tight. It's braking great. Oh, shift's good. Yeah, nice and smooth. Shifts right in nicely. Let's see if there's any funky noises here. Oh, all right, nice car. Nice second gear chirp. Giddy up, baby. That's good. Nice. So if you're looking to do some financing with us at MGM Classic Cars, and you're a 642A 739 score, please go to our website. You're going to need at least 10% down. We'll go up to 84 months. Go to the car, hit apply now. We'll get you called in. If you're 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the app. Usually approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. We'll go as far as 84 months as well. We've got over 100 cars in inventory, ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over United States. Bonded and insured to your front door. If you have any questions on any of our vehicles, please go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. All the videos, pictures, description, and pricing will be on there. And if you have any questions on shipping or on our vehicles, you could call me or text me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Give me a text or a call at 773-600-0919. We'll get you in, spend some time with the cars, answer your questions, get one home to you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell your friends. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me on this 65 Malibu. This happens to be a really nice car. You're not going to be disappointed. Have a great day, everybody.